Alright guys, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today I want to go through why Amazon UK sucks, and I'm not saying it's bad to sell on, I'm not saying it's a bad opportunity, I'm telling you why it actually sucks, okay? So a different twist on this video to what you might expect it to be. I think many of you are going to find it very interesting, especially in your product research, your listing creation, and actually launching your product. This really helps with every single step. So if you're interested to hear what I'm going to talk about in this video, please give it a subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below now or at the end of the video. Anytime really helps. So without any further ado, let's talk about why Amazon UK sucks. So you may be wondering what the hell I'm talking about in the intro to this video, and actually it's quite simple. It's probably be quite a short video, but I'm sure it's going to help you a hell of a lot in surprisingly your listing creation and how you actually view your market in the UK, to give you out of the box ideas how to stand out and how to bundle and things like that. So this probably isn't the best example, but it's just a example of shows you kind of what I'm talking about here. So I've gone ahead and I've searched baby hooded towels on amazon.co.uk, so the market that most of us are most likely going to be selling on. So if we just look at some of the products here, like the main images, they're very nice, like clean white background, they're like high quality pictures. I'm sure they zoom in, I'm sure they're great listings, and literally there's nothing wrong with this at all. They all look quite nice. But what I want to talk about is really why the UK market kind of trails in comparison to the US, because you've got to remember how much bigger the US market is and how many more sellers there are, and hence why there's so much competition, which can actually help you in the UK. So if we come across to the US market now for the exact same product, can you see already see some of the differences in the quality of the listings that we're looking at? So obviously back to the UK a sec, you've just got the product on a plain white background. This image is kind of dark. These images, they're not really like the best. They're kind of like sunken into the main picture a bit. This one is quite large and stands out. That's quite nice. But again, that's not even like a real baby. It's just a plastic baby there. This one's got some product packaging, but it's just the hooded towel by itself. This one looks kind of dark. This one's kind of dark. You can see how dark they really are when you look at how bright this one is. So not the best images. And you come across to here and they're really bright, real life, like lifestyle images with actual babies, like bright blue eyes, dummy in the mouth, product packaging in front of the product itself. See the product being used, free gifts included, loads of different designs of things you could do. So you can see how much this can help you make your listing and how much it can help you think to stand out. And what you can also do is look at the numbers. So if we was to run Helium 10 on this page, look at the numbers of how well does this hooded tail perform compared to one that has a different design. And then you could take that information and maybe try and apply it to this market where there isn't that design yet, and you don't know, is a panda, for example, a panda baby hooded tail going to stand out? Well, we could look at the US market and make a slightly informed decision as to, well, if it's doing really well here, it's probably going to do really well in the UK as well. Now, there's a bunch of other factors you can base that on, but that's generally what I would do. And just to cement this even more, if we go into a listing from the US, in fact, we'll go to the UK one first. This is a really good listing. He's got a complete 5-star rating, almost 1,200 reviews. He's probably selling tens of thousands of pounds of these, I would expect. So if we look at his listing, his main image, again, very clear, zoomable, good quality product as shown by the reviews, good title, good bullet points. Again, he's got lifestyle images here, 100% organic. He's got literally, well, I guess you could say an actor in the baby in there. Dimensions of the product showing that it's really soft. Again, another lifestyle picture with some writing here showing it what their product has compared to other products, and another lifestyle image. So these are absolutely amazing images and you would not be disappointed with this. But then when you come across to the US market and look at one of their main competitors, you've got their first image as, why doesn't that go away? You got their first image as a lifestyle picture of the baby using the towel with a free gift with the product packaging. So already I would say that image is better than their first image. Come to the second image and we've got the full bundle here of everything that's included, a beautiful gift for any occasion, unisex design, and another picture of the baby with the towel there. And they've got more things, so like high quality embroidery, baby shower gifts, dedicated for or delicate for baby skin, and unisex puppy design. So again, more features of the product. Again, another one showing how soft it is with a proper lifestyle picture of the full baby, like playing it, smiling. More pictures using the product again, showing the dimensions. So when we go back to here showing the dimensions, you can see the difference between their pictures showing the measurements compared to this one showing the measurements. Which one looks better? This one has much more going on, has the baby in there, still shows the exact same information, still shows it all very clearly. You know the exact same content from both the pictures, but this one's just more engaging. Again, this one, a lifestyle image, still with text in there showing more features of the product. And again, the last image, another lifestyle image, but still giving more information. They're not just almost wasted images just of the hooded towel for little reason. So this is why the US market is so much better in comparison to the UK, because there is a lot of competition, but that can help you decide how to make your listing better. So when you're looking to create your listing in the UK, instead of looking at your competitors and what you're going to be competing with and seeing how good their listing is, why don't you also look at the US market where there's more competition, and where there's more competition, everyone's got to keep doing better and better and better. And because the US is so much further ahead, their best is going to be generally a lot better than the UK's best one. So if you judge theirs and try and make your listing better than theirs, then when you bring it to the UK, you're going to have by far the best listing. And of course, like I said, there's other market research you can do in the US, such as different designs and things like that, which you can bring to the UK and be confident they're going to do well, because you've seen that they're popular in other markets, which hopefully would carry on to the UK market. So that's basically what I wanted to get across to you in this video, guys, is the difference in quality of listings between the two markets and how the US is so much further ahead and why that benefits you. So I hope you've hopefully learned something in this video. And if you have, give the channel a subscribe, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, all of that good stuff. It is greatly appreciated, guys. And with all of that said, I'll see you in the next video.